Everyone knows nowadays social media is more than just sharing photos. Even the head of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, said it himself the other month that Instagram is no longer just a photo sharing app. If you've missed that, then watch my video explaining what he said here. Video is becoming much more powerful, especially with the rise of Instagram Reels, for example, which is actually starting to be rolled out to Facebook too. Videos help us to engage on a more personal level with our audiences, but they can also help to stand out and grab viewers' attention when scrolling the social media apps compared to static images. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a really quick and easy way you can turn your static images into video by using Canva, which is a free tool. Make sure you stick around to the end too, where I'm going to be sharing with you a quick hack on how to animate your text in addition to your images, which will really make the screen pop. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Leah Buckingham. I'm a multi-award winning social media and business performance coach, and I help ambitious business owners and entrepreneurs just like yourself to position themselves online to the go-to authority in their own industry so that they have more impact, income and freedom in their lives. If you'd like to see my weekly trainings, don't forget to hit the subscribe button now. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm in Canva now, which you can sign up for free or you can have a monthly paid account as well. It's completely up to you, but I'm literally going to go to Instagram post here and it's going to open up a blank canvas. Now you've got lots of different templates here on the left hand side that you can use, but obviously I want to just upload my own images to this one. So first I'm going to go to elements and then I'm going to scroll down till we get to grids. Okay, and I'm going to click on there and it's got all these different types of grids. So I'm going to choose one that I want to use that will suit what I'm about to do. So I'm going to go and grab this one. Okay, so now what I can do is I can upload my own images here. So I can go to upload on the left here and then upload media and just upload my own photos, or I can click on photos and actually search Canva for some photos. So let's say you're in the health and wellness industry and you want to do a post for that. So I'm just going to go into search. So I'm going to type in relax. So we're going to find some nice relaxation type images. So obviously you've got some here that are free. And then this one, for example, says pro. So that's available if you've got a pro account. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to drag it over. I like that one too. Obviously a cup of tea is always good and relaxing. Let's see what else we've got. See if we've got, here we go. Let's use this candle one. Right, so that's it. So you could leave it like that, and obviously that is all your images, but I'm actually going to add some text because I want to give it a bit more context. So I'm going to go to text and I'm just going to click on subheading and I'm going to write my first word. So that's relax. I'm going to move it over to the side here. Right, now I'm not happy with that font, so I'm just going to change the font. So I'll click on font and I'm going to go to, let's just try it on. Okay, I'm going to make that one a bit bigger. So let's change it to 50. Okay, so that's my first word. And then I want to do another one. I'm going to do these separately. So literally I'm just going to copy this. Right, copy and paste. Right, so we've got the next one here. Now this one's going to be refresh. And again, I'm going to copy that because I want to keep these ones separate. And then the third word is going to be, sort this out in a minute, so recharge. Okay, right, so I'm going to want to line all these up. So we've got relax and then refresh. Here we go, and recharge. Now I want to change that font for the middle one to make it look a bit different. So let's choose that font. Okay, and then just move it along. Actually, I'll make it bigger. Make it 55. Make sure it's all aligned. Right, so you've got that like that. And again, that's fine. But actually what I want to do, I want to change the colour of this text quickly. So I'm just going to click on one of the text. And here you've got colour. Now, obviously, I can change it to any type of colour that I want. But obviously, it's got the colours of all the photos, which is really handy. So I'm actually going to change it to that colour. And then, let's see. Yeah, I'm going to do recharge the same colour. And then refresh, I'm going to have in this grey. See what that looks like. Perfect, so that looks good. Right, so now obviously this is a static image, so if you're happy with this, you could download it and upload it to Instagram as a static image. But no, we want to actually make it a video. So there's a couple of ways that we can do it. So literally, you've got animate up here. If I click on animate, now you've got photo animation. So literally, you can scroll over here on any of these, and it will show you how you can make the photos animated. But you can see the text is, static. The text just stays. But there's loads of different options. And now these are all the free options. And again, as you come down here, you've got the pro plan options. But there's loads of different stuff that you can do to make it animated. But here along top, if you go to page animations, what that is, it animates the whole page. So you can see it actually animates the text as well as the photos. So whatever you have on here, it will actually animate all of it, which is pretty cool. So let's say if you've got loads of all these different options, free ones, so just literally play around and see which ones you want. But let's say I quite like that one, so photo zoom, so I'm going to select that. Now this is animated like that, but also if you click on the image, at the bottom, you can see here it's 5 seconds. So this is how long it takes for that to play that video, but you can actually click on it. So if you want your video to be longer, you can obviously just literally make it as long as you want to make it. And then when you're happy with it, you can actually, up top here, play it. So you can actually play a preview to see what it will look like on your Instagram page. Now, if you're happy with that, you literally click download. But what I want to do is I want to make the text a little bit different as well. I want to make that pop on the page, but literally I want to make this second one. So this is why I did the words separately. So I'm going to click on the word refresh, and then you can see you've got animate up here again. So if I go to animate, so you've got text animations here as well as, so we've done page animations, but you've got text. So you can actually make that word that I've just highlighted, so refresh, if you can see, there's different ways to animate it. So again, it just makes it stand out a little bit more because it has a little bit of variety to it. So literally, if say for example I want to do bounce, if I press bounce, that text, that word is now animated as well. So literally now when I go back to it, if I play it, you've got the whole page animation, but as well as that extra text animated as well. So there's loads of different things that you can do. Play around with it, have some fun. Like I say, Canva is absolutely free. It's amazing. And there is obviously a paid for monthly option if you want to do that, but you don't have to do that at all. So that is how you change your static images into a video, really easy for your Instagram posts, simply done in Canva. So let me know what you think about this video, and also let me know what else you need help with when it comes to your social media marketing.